Hey guys, this is question MM070 of the Maths Methods Sharpened Study Guide. What we want to do is solve the equation log 2 of 3 plus log 2 of 8x plus 2 equals 3 for x. So this is a pretty straightforward question. It's really just testing your knowledge of the log laws. So I like to rewrite my equations whenever I've got them. So log 2 of 3 plus log 2 of 8x plus 2 equals 3. So there's a couple of log laws that we need to keep in mind here. And the first one that I can immediately see is this plus here. So we've got two logs that have the same base and we're adding them together, which means that we can actually multiply the insides of the brackets. So what we get is log 2 of 3 times 8x plus 2 equals 3. So that's our first step. Now, there's two ways to do this. One, we could get this side in a log form and then equate the logs, or two, we could simply rearrange this and get an exponential. So I'm going to go with that option, rearrange and get an exponential, because I think that it's easier. So basically we need to use the exponential rule here, which basically interchanges logs and exponentials. So we get our base and we do it to the power of whatever's on the other side. So we get 2 to the power of 3 equals whatever's inside the brackets, which means that 2 to the power of 3 is 8, and we expand this out and get 24x plus 6, and then we take 6 from both sides to get 2 equals 24x, divide both sides by 24, gives us x equals 1 on 12, which means x equals 1 on 12. So keep in mind that you've got to write all this working on these lines up here when you're actually doing the equation, because it is a 2-mark question. So your first mark is to get it in this form here, and your second mark is the actual answer. Therefore, our final answer is x equals 1 on 12.